side kick. We briefly explored the front kick. We're going to do a transition movement from front to side. Still executing forward momentum, just transitioning the technique into a side kick instead of a front kick. So front kick, going through the position or the cues we ran through in the previous video for a front kick. So again, okay, executing into a side kick. Going to execute the beginning of the movement the same. So bringing the resting body, the static body, it's not moving, into motion, driving through. Two main differences is we're going to pivot across on the lead foot, so to allow our body to rotate and face to the side. Then the lead foot, instead of the knee facing up for a front kick, we're going to allow the knee and hip to internally rotate and come across and extend. So we're going to get this motion. So we're going to get this motion. Okay, so I'll execute it quickly. Okay. Try execute it a bit slower. So same like the front kick, we're bringing our mass, our body forward, forward, front kick, side kick. Okay, so as I'm coming through, I'm going to allow my foot to pivot to allow me to execute to the side. Okay, so you can see my knee isn't coming way out here. I'm trying to maintain this position into that position. So this line of energy, line of momentum. You want to direct it, your intent should direct the momentum, but you don't want to send the momentum off in unnecessary directions. You don't want to break that flow of energy.